Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss the Instagram Reels that are not boosting your followers and what you have to do regarding it. So let's say you are posting regularly Reels and posting, but you're not seeing increase in your followers and overall growth of your account. So you don't have to be worried. I'll show you some of the ways through which you can fix this issue. So first you have to just simply make sure that you have the Instagram app, and once the app it is there, then you just have to simply click onto its icon to open the app. And once the app gets open, you will be onto its home page. Now what you have to do is that you have to go to your profile. So for that reason you have to click onto your profile icon from the right bottom, and once you click onto it you will get into your profile. Once you get into your profile, then you will see all of your reels and posts that you have done. You can also see how much views and engagement you have got onto them. To get the maximum views and increase followers, you have to just simply upload a video that is good. So first you have to upload the trending music on your video, because these videos will go viral or on for you. So make sure you add that trending music, and then you also can edit other elements as well. Once you get to this page, now you have to make sure you add a good caption, something related to your video or something that could explain what is in your video. Or if you want to go in details, you can actually add it. Then you have to add at least three hashtags that are trending or maybe related to your video, or you can also add further if you would like to. Then you just have to simply upload it. The key is you have to use the trending music or create video on something trending. Whatever niche you work in, just check what is trending into that niche and create video onto it with a trending music and upload it. And after that, your video will go on for you or explore page, and it will get maximum views. Through this you will get maximum followers. So I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you so much for watching the video till the very end.